it steady. Watch the starboard line. Roger that. Proceeding with the lift. Looks good, Captain.
Keep it steady. Slowly increase altitude. Copy that. Moving up.
The alignment is locked.
Precision checked, we're solid.
Let's move to the next section.
The finish is looking excellent on this section.
Yeah.
We've got a great reflection here, almost done. Dust collection is running perfectly. Keep up the great work. The depth profile here matches our coordinates.
Acknowledged. Calibrating the sensor data now.
Reading stable, preparing the deployment sequence.
Ready?
Ready.
Up. Confirmed.
Keep it steady. Watch the starboard line. Roger that. Proceeding with the lift. Looks good, Captain. The balloon tore. Pull the tail rope now. Character A, is it stable? We have tension. Hold it steady.
Deploy replacement bags to port side aft attachment points.
Affirmative. Proceeding with deployment.
The ropes are secure.
Roger that.
Divers moving clear.
Cable tension good. Up easy. Hold position. Copy. Holding. Clear to lift.
Keep it steady. Slowly increase altitude. Copy that. Moving up. Pallet is down. Copy that. Proceed with disconnects. Ground crew approaching. Stand by.
The readings are stable, but we should reinforce the supports. Agreed. Let's move the cart in. Keep the pressure steady on the tail section. Move the foam towards the drains. Looks much better now. Hold, slow down just a millimeter. Good. Left, stop. Secure. Okay, it's set. Keep it steady. Looking good.
Slow and careful.
Looks clear this side. The finish is looking excellent on this section.
Yeah.
We've got a great reflection here, almost done. Dust collection is running perfectly. Keep up the great work. Keep it slow and steady. These parts are delicate. Copy that. Focusing on the seal integrity here. The sensor looks clear.
I'm testing the connections now.
Make sure the fluid is applied evenly. Check the torque setting on the seal.
The alignment is locked.
Precision checked, we're solid.
Let's move to the next section.
The rear fuselage indicates a 480mm span.
Copy that. Moving to section 3.
We need to verify the dihedral angle. Scanning now.
Almost there.
Just one more connection.
Perfect. Watch the gauges.
Systems check complete.
Main reactor initiation sequence engaged. Diagnostics are nominal. Cooling systems are online. All systems green. Engine thrust increasing.
The finish is perfect. Great job, team.
Looks incredible. Looks incredible.
Almost there. Just one more pass on the tail.
Checking the port side. Ailerons engaging.
Moving to the tail now.
Rudder deflection looks good.
Okay, sequence activated.
Checking gauges.
Systems nominal. Keep it steady. Looking good. Clearance okay. Almost there, just a little more. The pressure looks normal. Confirmed. Moving to canopy.
Check instruments, looking good. Taxiing, clear ahead. Copy. Engines nominal.
The coral and the gears belong together. And the plating on this part goes here.